Voltas presents a 1.5-ton window AC that has a 5-star rating. This window AC is available in two more capacities, 1 ton and 2 ton, and has a rating of 3-star and 2-star respectively. This AC comes with a 100% copper condenser coil that is durable and gives efficient cooling. The AC has an anti-dust filter that gives you fresh air by preventing the dust particles from entering the air. Its high ambient cooling gives you instant cooling even at a high temperature. The turbo mode cools your room instantly. The active dehumidifier in this AC controls the room's humidity during monsoon. The sleep mode gives you a comfortable sleep by cutting down excessive cooling. It has eco mode that is energy efficient. This AC has self-diagnosis technology that checks for abnormalities and failures and resets the AC automatically. The two-stage filtration removes allergens, odors, dust and other harmful particles and gives you cool and fresh air. This AC comes with a remote included in the box. The AC comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.